In this video, I'm going to show you how we can set the column width using VBA. So we'll begin with creating our subroutine, and we'll call it set column width. To begin with, we will create a variable, so dim WAS as a worksheet, and we'll set the worksheet to be within this workbook dot sheets sheet 1. Also, what we'll need to do is create another variable, and we'll just call that col for column, and we'll as a range. So that is done. Now we can just do with worksheet, and we'll do a for loop. So for each column at this point we're going to say the used range, so dot used range. So we don't need to specify an actual range, it's just going to look through the entire worksheet of sheet 1, and it's going to find the use range, and it's going to set all of the column widths at once. So use range dot columns, and then we can say column dot column width equals, and we can just set it to 15, and then next column. And then we'll just say end with, and that should be it. So on this sheet 1 that I have, the used range is just A, B, and C, columns A, B, and C, so it's only going to set those ones. So if I hit run, you can see it has changed those 3 columns to 15. Another thing that we could do is we could actually specify the range. So if we create another variable, for example, dim RNG as range, and we'll set the range to equal the worksheet dot range, and we'll just say A1 to G10, and then we'll change for each column in used range, we will change this portion to range, and now it's going to loop through, it's going to change all of the columns from A to G to size 15. There, you can see that it has gone all the way to G. It's now 15. We can change that back to 10. Done it again. And the next thing that we could do is to size these columns to an AutoFit. So instead of specifying an actual hard value, we can just say to AutoFit. So we'll go to column dot AutoFit, and you can see that nothing has happened to the D, E, F, and G. It hasn't changed those because there's no values in that, but columns A, B, and C has been changed to AutoFit what is in there. If we go back in here and type in something else like hello, let me go back to here, and it should now AutoFit the D as well. So that has been now changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you've found this video helpful, please give it a like, and you can subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this.